Good morning, students.
Good morning, teacher.
How are you all?
Fine. I am fine.
My name is Anju, teacher, and welcome to our educational channel. So, students, you like stories? You like stories?
Yes.
Student, can you tell me where do you live? Where do you live? Where do you live?
In house.
In house. And where animals live?
In jungle.
In jungle. And where birds live?
Sky. In sky.
But where live?
Tree.
What is name of house of bird?
Nest.
Nest. Yes. So, can you tell me some name of birds?
Eagle.
Name of birds.
Eagle. Pigeon. Bird.
Yes.
Peacock.
Mm.
Peacock. Duck. Crow.
Mm. Name of animals.
Giraffe. Elephant.
Mm.
And tiger. Dog. Cat.
Yes.
Horse. Camel. Chimpanzee.
Yes, very good. So you know names of birds. So today we see one story in which there are one bird which name is parrot. Yes, and our story name is the egg. The egg. What is name of story?
Deer.
The egg. Okay, now I am showing you picture. What you see in the picture?
One baby parrot.
Yes.
Two parrot and one big white egg.
Okay. So in our story, there are one baby parrot and mother and egg. The baby parrot lived in nest. Here is a nest. See, nest with her mother and one big white egg. Yes, this is a big white egg and mother. Okay, you see properly?
Yes.
Okay, so they live in the nest. So students, one day what happened? The mother said, baby parrot, I am going to find food. Yes, you eat food?
Yes.
Yes. So also baby parrots also want food. So mother parrot going to find out food. And mother parrot said, you look after the egg. You look, mother is going out for find a food, but you look after the egg until I return. Yes. So baby parrot watch the egg, and baby parrot was the egg, and baby parrot move near to the egg and see it is comfortable, and baby parrot wrap her feathers around the egg to see it is warm. What baby parrot see? It is comfortable or not, and baby parrot see it is warm. So baby parrot is very careful about the egg because her mummy said to taking care egg after he going. Baby
Yes.
parrot is taking care of egg. Mummy said to take care of egg. So baby parrot sitting near to the egg and watching. Watch. It is comfortable. It is warm. And after some time, what happened?
Bird.
After some time, what happened? She listened some voice of uh, monkeys and monkeys playing on tree. Where monkey playing?
Tree.
In the tree. And baby baby parrot try to fall like a monkey. Fall like a monkey. How? Fall like a monkey. And baby parrot peered edge
Like
of
a
the
monkey.
nest. Edge of the nest and see what they are playing. Baby parrot, what they are playing. This she see. So what happened? She enjoy the game. Who? Baby parrot enjoy the
Enjoy
game
a game.
and laughing at
Enjoy
monkeys.
the game.
Laughing at monkeys. After that, she think about the egg. Again, he think about the egg and she move and see it is comfortable or not. Then what happened to the egg? Now she look around and gulp. So what happened here? See, here is a baby parrot. What she see? Egg is broken. What happened?
Ma'am, the anda.
Yes.
Egg.
Egg is broken and she thought that mummy is scolding. What she thought? Mummy, she's scolding. Mummy would be angry. But what happened when mummy come again and see egg was broken, but mummy wasn't angry because mummy said it's okay, don't worry, because because small baby parrot popped up from the eggshell. See here, eggshell is
Baby
here
parrot.
and it is cracked here. Yes. So when I am mother said when I am going far away that time the egg was hatched and small baby parrot comes from it. Okay. So now you have got a small baby sister. Yes. And you play with. Yes, see here.
Baby.
Here is a small baby parrot. So how many people, how many birds see here? Can you tell me? One is mother. Yes. One is mother. One big baby parrot and one is small, which come from the shell. Okay. So student, you understood story because it is a revision of story. Yes, you already know the story. Yes, students?
Yes, teacher.
Yes. So today we see new words. Okay. Which is in the story. So I am showing you first. Read
Mommy.
mummy. What is spelling of mummy?
M M U M M U double M Y.
Mummy. Mummy. Yes. Second word is, can you read this? Yes, comfortable. What is spelling of comfortable?
COMFORTABLE.
Yes, COMFRTABLE. Comfortable. Yes. Now next word,
Baby.
baby. What is spelling of baby?
BABY.
Baby.
BABY. Next,
Parrot.
parrot. What is spelling of parrot?
PARROT.
Parrot.
PARROT. Yes.
Edge. 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 Eggshell. EGGSHELL.
EGGSHELL. Egg shell. Yes, this
Hatch.
hatch. HATCH. Hatch. Hatch.
HATCH.
Hatch. Yes. Now 2 to 3 words more. Yes.
Hungry. ANGRY. Hungry.
Angry. Yes.
Rat.
Wrap. Spelling.
WRAP. Rap.
Okay. So students, I am asking you some questions on screen. You give me answer. Question is, find the small words hidden in the big words. What is first word, students?
Comfortable.
Comfortable. Find out the small words from comfortable.
Table.
Yes, stable. TABLE, one word.
For.
Yes, FOR, for. Very good.
For.
Yes. And one more word is there, fold. Now, second, eggshell. Can you tell me which word hidden in the word in this big word?
Egg.
Egg. EGG, egg.
Shell.
Shell. Yes. SHELL. Shell. Now next. Monkey. Yes. Can you tell me hidden word? KEY, key.
MON. Monk.
Okay, MONK, monk. Okay, so our question is finished here and our story is also finished here.